Did you know that Pinterest isn't just for finding recipes or home decor ideas? Imagine turning your pinning habit into a money-making machine. Stick around, because today, we're diving into mastering Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest strategies to grow your online income. Today, we're talking about a game-changing platform, Pinterest. It's not just a social media site, it's a powerful search engine where people go to discover new ideas, products, and services. And guess what? You can leverage this to make a significant income through affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Many people struggle to make money online because they focus on saturated platforms or don't use effective strategies. Pinterest offers a unique opportunity because it's a visual search engine with over 450 million active users. These users are actively looking for inspiration and products to buy. However, without the right knowledge, navigating Pinterest's algorithm and making money through affiliate marketing can be challenging. So, how do we overcome this? Let's break it down step by step. Alright, let's start with the basics. 1. Understanding Pinterest. Pinterest is a discovery platform where users save and share content, known as pins, to their boards. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest is evergreen. This means your pins can gain traction and bring in traffic for months or even years after being posted. Understanding this is crucial for a successful affiliate marketing strategy. 2. Setting up your Pinterest business account. First things first, you need a Pinterest business account. This gives you access to Pinterest analytics and ads, which are essential for tracking your performance and scaling your efforts. To set this up, go to Pinterest and switch your account to a business account in the settings. Fill out your profile with a clear description, a professional profile picture, and a link to your website or blog. 3. Keyword research and SEO. Pinterest is a search engine, so SEO is key. Start by researching keywords that your target audience is searching for. Use Pinterest's search bar to see what auto-suggestions come up. Tools like Pinterest Trends can also be helpful. Once you have your keywords, incorporate them into your profile, board names, pin titles, and descriptions. 4. Creating eye-catching pins. Next, you need to create visually appealing pins that attract clicks. Use high-quality images and make sure your text overlays are easy to read. Tools like Canva are fantastic for this. Remember to use your keywords in the pin title and description. And don't forget to add a call to action. 5. Affiliate links and disclosure. Now, let's talk about affiliate links. When you join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or others, you get unique links to promote products. You can add these links to your pins, but it's important to disclose that these are affiliate links to comply with regulations. Always include a disclaimer in your pin descriptions. 6. Driving traffic to your pins. To maximize your reach, you need to drive traffic to your pins. Join relevant group boards, engage with other users by commenting and sharing their content, and use Pinterest ads to boost your top-performing pins. Consistency is key here. Pin regularly and analyze what's working through Pinterest analytics. 7. Tracking and analyzing performance. Use Pinterest analytics to track your performance. Look at metrics like impressions, saves, and clicks to understand what types of pins are resonating with your audience. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on creating more of what works. 8. Scaling your efforts. Once you have a few successful pins, it's time to scale. Create more pins for your top-performing content, invest in Pinterest ads, and consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your affiliate earnings. Let me share a quick success story to illustrate the potential of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Jane, a stay-at-home mom, started using Pinterest to share her favorite home decor ideas. She joined a few affiliate programs and began pinning products she loved. With consistent effort and smart keyword strategies, Jane now makes over $5,000 a month just from her Pinterest affiliate links. If she can do it, so can you. To wrap up, mastering Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024 involves understanding the platform, optimizing your profile and pins for SEO, creating eye-catching content, disclosing your affiliate links, driving traffic, and analyzing your performance. With dedication and consistency, you can turn Pinterest into a lucrative income stream. Ready to get started? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Comment below with your Pinterest username so we can follow each other and grow together. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!